Hello everyone, it's me, Jane, back again at CJ Drive Results with one more video for you on Cook Unity. And we are filming right now because I am hungry. And I am going to be eating more pasta. Oh my goodness. So I normally do not eat foods like this. And well, you know, I might eat pasta occasionally, but pasta is not like my favorite. So I ended up with a lot of different things here to eat from Cook Unity that seem to have pasta with them. So I'm going to order more cautiously next time. In the meantime, I am going to enjoy this, I hope. I have not had Papradelle before, but it looks like it's a fresh pasta. I'm kind of excited about trying this because I've never eaten anything like this before, and maybe I'll like it. So I notice here that they have some fresh mozzarella in here. That looks pretty exciting. Although a little worried about my tummy, but we'll see. And then we've got short rib. I noticed there's a fresh tomato and some asparagus. And the sauce is in this little side. It is by Chef Ruben Garcia. And it is only 580 calories for this entire container. So maybe it's not so bad. 35 grams of carbohydrates. That meets my needs. I try to keep it under 37. 41 grams of protein. 33 grams of fat. I would say this is a balanced meal. It says I need to microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to do that and we'll see what it looks like then. All right, so our Papradelle and short ribs is now done. I am pretty excited to try it. It lacked instructions on what to do with the sauce, so I just cooked it for 3 minutes and I poured the sauce in there and I cooked it for 2 more minutes. I think it's nice that they have this cute little cherry tomato in here. I would like to try making this in a pan via the chef instructions to kind of blister this tomato up. That would be delicious. But we're working with what we've got here. It looks a little runny, but I'm afraid to stir in the fresh mozzarella because I'm a little on the milk products. So I'm kind of just going to try it with the sauce and see how it is. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. So, this reminds me of the flavors of like lasagna. If you like lasagna. I haven't had that in a while, but if I did eat Italian food, lasagna could be a choice for me. I like cheese. Ruben Garcia is good at seasoning things. This was a premium entree. I would totally recommend it. Let's rate it. So the short rib itself, let me take a bite of just a short rib. It's kind of partially shredded. So tender. Oh, the flavor is so good. It's like a 9. And then we have the Papradelle. I'm going to consider that to be the noodles with the sauce and everything else. I'm going to give that like a 7. So with a total of 16 divided by 2, this entree gets an 8. I would totally eat this again. I wouldn't eat it every single week, but I would definitely eat it again. And if Ruben Garcia has other dishes, I would seek them out because this is spot on with the seasoning. Wow, I'm really impressed with this one. It did not look like I would be impressed with it. Oh, wow. So, yeah, this was great. Thank you again for joining me for another review. Bye.